Right, ladies and gentlemen, well, as you can see, this is a very, very sort of lavishly and richly engraved armorial bookplate called a Jacobean armorial bookplate, although it's not technically made in the reign of King James, probably rather later in the early 18th century. And it is the bookplate of the Maitland family, the Earls of Lauderdale, the great Scottish noble family. And there we have all their pomp and splendour set forth on the page in heraldic grandeur. It is a very fine bookplate with an interesting provenance. It was part of the celebrated Dorling bookplate collection, which was made by Arthur Dorling, who died in 1984, and whose collection was sold last year at Bonham's over several days. And I've managed to acquire a number of the plates from it here. It says in pen there, Lauderdale. I don't know whether in an obviously sort of 18th century, I would think, or possibly 19th century hand. I don't know whether that's the signature of an Earl of Lauderdale on one of his own bookplates in a book, or it's just a previous, earlier collector's name, but that's written in pen on the bookplate, and the bookplate is mounted as Dorling kept his collection with stamp hinges on lined mathematical paper and various pencil notes there: Maitland, Earl of Lauderdale, Jacobean Armorial, and a category number 15. I think 15 was his Jacobean Armorial category. But these mount up splendidly. If you get a thick, deep mount and a thick, rich, broad gold frame, you can focus the attention on this splendidly properly sort of tinctured coat of arms with these wonderful sort of cormorant-like eagles at the side, and this splendid Earl's coronet and wonderful coat of arms there with its rearing lions and griffins. Fantastic item from the Dorling collection. Thanks very much indeed. Bye.